Alright guys, we're here at the Heatwave Show today. I got all the goons. We got my truck. Saul, he got a new truck.
Sure.
I don't know if he's ever been in the YouTube videos, but he got a logo. We got Axel with the OBS, first truck show with you. Yes, sir.
Damn, whose truck is this? This whole clean.
Axel's my cameraman for right now. And we got that boy Edwin here too. With the same as last year.
And we got the Titanic right here.
And we got the big old long schlong 8-seater golf cart. I don't know if you can hear me because it's windy, but Christian's gonna be pulling up, my brother, and maybe some more goons. You know what? Let's show the goons right here.
Oh yeah.
We got example one of goon. Projectville, he just got this bed from what I heard. And we got our boy in the Hellcat as well.
The Hell Gato.
And we're here to represent our boy's brand. Avanzando.
Avanzando on top.
Yes, sir. He got his own booth. We're gonna head out there and buy some merch off of him. So make sure you follow his brand on Instagram. The Bobo. Everyone just got it. I mean, Saul just got it. So just chilling. The goons are taking off in the golf cart. Huh?
The restroom.
The restroom's right there.
Restroom.
Right there.
The one over there.
Okay, bye.
Take off.
Take off. Take off. Full speed.
The boat.
All right, back to me. So it's gonna be a good day. We're waiting for everything to start. Everybody just getting here and stuff. So we're just waiting for everybody to pull up, and then I'll show around all the trucks that's here, the ones that I like. So let's have a good day here.
And this is how it looks right now.
Sheesh. The lineup. If only Johnny was here. Johnny ain't here. Christian was just here too, but Christian had to go get something real quick. Cruising in the golf ball. Yo, our boy Cheat. Is the one from Freddy's giveaway. Sheesh. He wanted here in Round Rock, Texas. Edwin, this could be you. Bro, the wheels are going the wrong way, bye. Bro got the wheels going the wrong way. Oh yeah. Team Billy. Right here, you too, Edwin? Damn it, boy. Classic. Look at this Impala. I fuck with it. Folks with it. Folks with it. Damn it, boy. That Impala. Damn it, boy. Look at them hoes. Sheesh. Look at the other ones. Damn. The Oldsmobile, the Impala. Damn, with the mirror inside too. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. OBS in Austin. Clean, clean. Oh, there's a nice one too, brown. Long ass line, man. Alright, what's the line? God damn. Look at the line. Look at the line. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. Select view. Rolling in date. Man, this one's tough. I fucks with it. Damn it, boy, the bagged out Lincoln. Damn. Yes, sir. We made it inside for the vlog. Holla. Sheesh, this one's badass. Classic, leather seat tan. There's joint. Custom graphics. Can I get a box?
We'll see.
Damn. Tough. They have some JLs over there. You should get the JL audio. The subs.
Shout out to R&R in the building. Y'all like free stuff? We got some free stuff. Little man doing that army stuff, yes. R&R in the house. Y'all make some noise, Austin.
Oh, sure.
Donating some rubber.
I know, valiendo
Looks like
verga.
Snoop Dogg's bedroom over here.
Yup, he ain't getting home now. Alright, we're back from the burnout pit. We got the Mr. Chef right here. What are you making, sir? Sheesh. Professional. He's a mechanic and he can cook. Professional. We're gonna open a shop and a restaurant at the same time. Right next to each other.
Go vlog the guys over there, see what they think about the show.
Alright. We're starting with Edwin first. What do you think about the show so far?
Good so far.
It's good so far. So, what do you think?
Good.
You know what? I don't think we ever talked about your truck. Tell us about your truck. Since you just got it, tell us about it. How long you had it so far?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. And you like it so far? Yes, sir. That's what's up. What's the plans? What's the plans for it?
I don't know yet. Drop me,
Bro, don't even know, bro. All right, little ones. What y'all think about the show? It's good. And you, what do you think about the show? Good. All right. That's good.
Yeah, hold on, dude.
What are you doing?
What about you, dude?
Shit, I'm here every year. This shit's litty in the bitty. I love it. Good show. I'm on tomorrow, because it's a 2-day event. I'm gonna put the truck in the burnout pit. We're gonna pop the fuck out of these Toyo tires. And I'm gonna be stuck here forever. And never go home. Alright, we're here to sponsor my boy Lorenzo with his brand. Alright, let's go. Alright, tell us about your brand.
It just started as some wording that I just listened to a song and then it just stuck to my head. Started saying it, bro. And I was just wanting to make shirts of my truck. So I made them all together and shit, bro.
We can show the shirts. We'll go right there. Look. The vlogger for my brother's video. We out here at Puro Avanzando. Make sure you come by and support the brand.
Yeah,
Follow
tap in,
on Instagram. Tap in, there you go. Y'all boys come look at CEO's OBS. Yes, sir. Support my boy. Support my boy. I just bought myself a shirt right here. Got mine right here. Yes, sir. Support the brand. All right. All right, Christian. We're going to go back over there. All right. What? Oh, yeah. It's yes, sir. Support. Support. Yeah. Christian, 3K. Sheesh. Yes, sir. All right, we're going to head back over there. All right. Cruising around. This hole's tough. On the road? Sheesh. That was tough. Good boy. Another 11 jam. There's our boy Johnny. Oh, there he goes, the other one. Right. Made it back to HQ. Day 1 is over for Heatwave. Day 2 tomorrow. Just me though. Mr. Axel won't be there. He's going on a lovely vacation to Mexico. And they're right.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna bring back parts for Cliff?
I'm gonna bring a whole other Cliff.
Oh. Oh
Bring
yeah.
another red truck.
Damn. Billy Badass over here. So yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow with day 2. So yeah, catch y'all mañana.